Hi guys, welcome to Kelo TV, where we teach how to create a website, how to create a game, how to create an app, not only to create but to show you how to monetize the game, the app, and also the website, how to make money out of it. So if you're new, consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress into your cPanel. So if you don't know how it works, just follow me step by step. In just a simple way, you'll be able to install WordPress and you create your website on WordPress. Okay, without wasting time, first of all, you need the hosting server. For this sake of tutorial, I'm going to use Infinity Free website, where it has free web hosting and also a domain name. But mark you, this free domain name and the free hosting is not good for a good website that you're going to make money out of it. So this, I'm just using this for the guidance. If you pay for one, then you're good to go and host your WordPress and build your website with these steps. Okay, so first of all, you have to log into your cPanel, your hosting server. So here you can say login. You can even use this platform to do the tutorial, to do the training, the same with me, while you wait for the time for you to pay for the real, package hosting that will work for you. So here you can say login, register. So if you want to test it, you can register here. So for me, I just want to log in. Okay. So here you can see I have logged in successfully. So here you can see this is one of my free sites. So if you want to create with me the same way, you can go to, once you log in, you register and you log in, you're going to see something like this, create account. Here you click and click close, and here is going to load, and it's going to give you, you can see this is a Infinity Free, and here you can see starter plan, and you can see super and ultimate premium. So all are the plans for this web hosting. So for me, since it's a free hosting, as I said, you can do the same thing, so that you do the training with me, you make sure you get it right so you can test it here. Okay, so here you click on create, and here you're going to verify if you're human. So you're going to wait, so it's going to verify you. Once it's verified, you're going to see how it works. So now I'm showing you how to set the domain name on the site. So here you can write the name of the what you want, that is the name of the site, maybe Kelo TV tutorial. So here you can see, so here you have to select the extension. That is why I said this is free. So if it's a purchase domain, then you have to go with uh, kellotvtutorial.com or .ng, but you can say all these extensions are free. Anyone you select is going to work for you. So let me select this one, or this free.nf. So here you can click check, and you can see it has been given to me. And here we go, you select approve, that is with your consent, email consent, approve, and here you click on create an account. So you can see our account is creating. You save, or you can see it's loaded for us. So simple. This is the step, and after it's created, the next step is for us to install the WordPress into the cPanel. Okay, so as you can see, yes, it has been created, but it's telling me to it can take up to 72 hours for new domain to be accessible everywhere. So it means we cannot install, but let me see. If you cannot install, then I go to the I go to I can go to the one which is activated already. Let me see this if it's going to work for us. Okay, so it's going to load. This is going to take us to where we're going to install any of the cPanel we want. Okay, there's several cPanels, there's several CMS. So not only WordPress, you're going to see the list of different CMS. So here, as you can see, so we go to software clause installer. This is where you're going to see the list of different. Okay, here you can see it's happening. Here, this is where we're going to see all the list of different CMS. So that is you can see, yes, you can see CMS. That is a content management system. That is the meaning of CMS. Okay, so here you can see WordPress and you can see Joomla. You can see other ones. You can see PHP, BP. You can see several my BP. You can see open real estate. You can create a real estate website with this. You can see here you can create a chatting app or community website. Different kind of you know different kind of CMS here, because this site is a free site, so that is why you will not see many as possible CMS. So if it's paid, you're going to see more CMS from here. So here you can see it has a, you can see here forum. If you click on forum, you can see this is all the list of CMS that you can create a forum website. Here you can see portal website. Here you can see the list. So this is how it is. Here you can see ads management. That is a classified website. You see you can create classified website as well from here. So the one I want to show you is this WordPress. Okay, with this WordPress you can create a lot of websites. So you click on install, and here you do some few changes, settings, and you're good to go. Sometimes you can see it will have some directory here, so make sure you remove it, leave it empty, so that the domain name here will work the way it is. But if you put something here, you're going to see that after the installation your website will carry this at the end of it, the way you see I type, and here you can see what is showing. So make sure you remove this, leave it blank. So here you can see this is the settings. This is my site, my blog. So you're going to put the name of the website. Maybe we want to put the same Kelo TV tutorial. We'll put it here. You decide what you want to put here. You put the description of your website. Uh, maybe educational YouTube channel. You put it example. Here you put the username, maybe admin whatsoever. Maybe you write your name, and here you put the password. Let me put it admin, and here you put the password. After done with all the settings, you put your email ID from here, and after you have finished with all the settings, make sure your settings are correct, and make sure you remember this admin username and the password, because at the end this is what we'll be using to sign in into our website, as in our dashboard, in order to design the website, in order to post content, in order to do all the things as an admin. This is the username and the password, and also your, this is very important, this section. So make sure you don't forget your username, you don't forget your password, and you don't forget your admin email. So once done, you can click on install, and we're going to wait. So it's saying the username you provide as invalid character. So here we go back to check. So which one is the invalid character from the username? Okay, does it want small letters? Okay, let me see. So okay, so I have changed it to small letter and now it's installing. So you can see this is how to install WordPress into your server. You can see has been installed successfully, and there's two things here for you to always make sure you understand. This is the URL of your site and this is the admin URL. So anytime you want to come to your website, you're going to put the same. Let me open it. So you're going to make sure you put /w hyphen admin. That's all. It's going to ask you to put in your login details. Like from here, you see this is how the website look like, and here when you log in into your admin dashboard, that is when you're going to customize and change the website. Whatsoever website you want to convert this into, it will work for you. You want to convert it to travel website, you want to convert it to news website, you want to convert it to e-commerce website, you want to convert it to whatsoever type of website you want to convert it to. This is where you're going to convert it. So if I click on this link, automatically, because I'm under the dashboard here, is going to open the admin dashboard automatically without asking for the password and the username. So as you can see, it's opening. You're going to see it's going to direct me directly to the admin dashboard because it's under my control here, so it knows that I'm the admin from here, so there's no need to ask me for password. So that is how it works. Okay, so here you can see you do some small customization. So once you install WordPress into your dashboard, this is what you need to do. Make sure you clean your dashboard so that there will be no mess, because here you're going to see this is where you're going to do all the things you need to do. The example now, let me show you. After showing you the successful how to install it, now let me show you other things. Now if you want to make this page look beautiful, what we need to do is to change the theme. And two things from here very important: theme and plugins. These are the very important things that make the website great. So here you can see this interface, that is the theme. And if you want to make it more functionable, more designable, then you need the plugins in order to do that. So here you can see these are different themes, and all the themes are for different website purposes. Like you can see e-commerce, you can see this is a classified website, that is a selling website. You can see different, you can see news website here. So now if I click on install now, you're going to see this website page is going to change. Now after installing, you click on activate. Now it has been activated. Now you can see it's asking me to install some of the plugins. Now let me simply do that, and so that you understand how it works, you click on install and activate. Now you're going to see how this website is going to look like. Now let me go to demo library, and here I have to click one of the import library so that you're going to understand. Now let me go for the free version of the demo content. So now let me click on this. I just want to show you after the installation, so many things you can do from here. So you can see this is the website. So now the demo in process. I'm installing the plugin W form. Now you're going to see these are all going to install for us. Once it's installed, we're going to refresh the website and you're going to see how it is. So if you're new into web development, so this is a starting point where you need to learn from here before you become great in web development. So as I said, if you're new, consider subscribing, because this is what Kelo TV is all about, teaching you for free on how to create a website, create a game, create an app, not only to create but to show you at the end how you can make money out of it. So feel free to ask Kelo TV any question under any of the video, and I'll be happy to help. I'm still waiting for the installation. Still importing the content, the demo content. After it's done, we're going to refresh the website and you're going to see how the website looks like. So here you can see it's done, all done. Visit the site now. Let me refresh it and you're going to see what happened from the site. Even from here we can visit the site from here. Okay, but since I have a new tab where, okay, so here you can see simply how very easy to use WordPress. You can see so many kind of website that you can create with this website. Okay, you can see our website is live now. You can see so beautiful website. If I click on here, you're going to see it's going to open up and you can see this is how it is. You can see this is how it is. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to kindly drop it down, and I'll be always here to guide you, to help you out. Thank you so much, and don't forget always to share my video to your loved ones. Thank you so much, and bye for now.